Hi friends, I'm back again with this new video and I welcome you all to my channel, JoeJay The Explorer. Today we're going to explore one very exciting and interesting cultural event in Mumbai called Kalaghoda Art Festival. Kalaghoda Festival is an annual event held in Kalaghoda area of Mumbai. It's all about promoting budding talents in different categories like including visual arts, music, dance, drama, theatre and etc. And today we are going to explore one of the festival sites and where you get to see various forms of visual arts and various forms of art installations, and you also get to see so many hundreds of stalls selling different kinds of things including artworks and so many other things. So I'm so excited. I come to this place every year, so we are going to explore this site today. Okay, so please stay tuned. Because though there are various forms of art and artists being promoted through this event, these are held at different locations, not in a particular area, not in one particular area. So we are going to explore today. Today we are going to explore only one of the main areas where you get to see various forms of art installations and very beautiful stalls selling different types of things. So that we are going to explore today. Okay, not the entire area, because all these are held at different locations, not in one particular area. So we are going to explore Kalaghoda Art Festival today. Okay, and friends, I'm wholly at Kalaghoda. You can see the huge crowd gathered here. Kalaghoda is a prominent locality in South Mumbai where most of the museums and art galleries are located. And right now I'm heading to the Kalaghoda Art Festival site. This is the museum area and you get to see a huge crowd. And one thing I want to tell you that the majority of the people participants in this festival are youngsters, college-going students, teenagers, etc. So you get to see a huge number of youngsters here, teenagers here who want to participate in this event. And this you can see the huge crowd. These people are coming from that festival site, and you can see the crowd. There's a huge crowd, huge number of people gathered here. This is the festival site. I'm getting close to the festival site right now. These are the various paintings displayed by street artists in this area. These are the paintings by street artists. You can see hundreds and hundreds of paintings in this area. See the beautiful paintings. There's the various types of paintings done by street artists. And I'm heading to the Kalaghoda Festival site. And you can see the friends, you can see all these youngsters here gathered here. All these are, majority of them are college-going students who want to participate in this event. All these are, there are participants, visitors, viewers. All types of people are gathered here. And now, this is the festival site. This is the Kalaghoda Festival site. And this is a 9-day event. This year started 20th Jan, and tomorrow is the last day. It's a 9-day festival. And today is 27th. Tomorrow is the last day. So it's a huge crowd here. See, these are not artists, but these are street vendors selling different things here. So I'm going to the main venue right now. I'm heading to the main venue. So this is the entry gate. Entry is free, no fees, nothing, and all are welcome. You can see the huge number of college-going students gathered here. Checking area is entry gate. So to put my bag here. Inside the festival site.
Wait, let me take this thing.
There's various forms of art installations here. This is a Spanish Odyssey, and this is art festival site. There's a huge crowd here. Oh my god, all these are 90% people are youngsters, teenagers who want to participate in this event, or all these dresses, various types of kurtas. This one. These are also available here. All these ready-made dresses and tops, etc. And I'm heading to the art installation area. These are the dresses, and these are various types of printed cotton kurtas for ladies kurtas, and this also you get to see here, all these kurtas, and see all this artwork done on kurtas. And here this is something coffee store. This is a vibrant festival here. This various form of artwork. This is something strange. I don't know what is this exactly. So, but the description details are mentioned here. Shanknath. This is named Shanknath. This is box of boundaries. Artists explore the complex dynamics of urbanization in a box of boundaries. I also get to see these snack corners here. Started in 1999, the Kalaghoda Art Festival has grown to become one of the largest and most prominent cultural events in Mumbai. It spans over 9 days, featuring a diverse range of performances, workshops, exhibitions and installations. The festival aims to showcase and promote artistic talent, providing a platform for artists to connect with wider audience. This particular work you see here is a satirical installation. It's all about plastic being used these days as a replacement to natural ones in so-called green infrastructure projects. It says the pseudo-green revolution is more hazardous than beneficial. And you can also see stalls like these from different states of India showcasing their artworks. And here is one another installation art done by some. mm, I don't see any name here. It is so amazing. Anyway, I love it. And this is cloth section. You can see various types of dresses and tops here from different states of India with their traditional prints and artworks on them. And you can also see various accessories here. There is one another very interesting installation art. And these are stalls for handicrafts and other various types of artworks set up by people from different states. And here is one another installation art, very interesting, very beautiful. And it is titled Flight of Knowledge from ITM, Institute of Design and Media. Wow, what is this? It's very interesting. I don't know. I think the details are mentioned below. And this is by one Sri Hari Bosle, and his number also mentioned here. It's very interesting work. And these are the portraits of various celebrities and including sports people and actors. And these are traditional prints from Gujarat. And you get to see all types of prints here, like block printing, screen printing, digital prints, tie and dye, hand painted clothing, everything here. And these are various art and crafts from Odisha. Wow, and here is the shoe section from Punjab. And Punjab is a state in the northwestern part of India. Here is one octopus here, very huge octopus made of plastic. I'm not sure, it's not plastic exactly, I don't know. Oh my gosh, what is this? No idea. All these girls are gathered here. I don't know what is this. And these are the stalls here selling various things, handicrafts, and so many varieties of things. Bags, and these bags are from Manipur handicrafts. And Manipur is a northeastern state of India. So beautiful bags. And these are from Rajasthan, and this from West Bengal. Very interesting. All these are prints, various prints, traditional prints. And friends, you can see this huge crowd here. A majority of them are students from schools and various colleges here. And this is another beautiful installation art. So amazing. And, wow, what is this? Kind of shaped like bells, several bells. I don't know. And friends, all the details of each artwork are mentioned on them, so it's not at all difficult to understand the concept. And friends, this is one of the events in Mumbai I love to attend. Last year also I came here. Wow, awesome. See this one. Interesting. Here visitors can explore a variety of art installations, attend live performances, participate in workshops, and engage with different forms of creativity. The festival attracts artists, art enthusiasts, and people from all walks of life, contributing to the vibrant cultural scene in Mumbai. This Kalaghoda Art Festival holds significance for multiple reasons. Firstly, it serves as a platform that brings together diverse forms of art, fostering a sense of community and appreciation for creativity. The festival's location in the Kalaghoda area, known for its art galleries and cultural institutions, adds to its charm. And one of the festival's key objectives is to promote and showcase emerging talents. It provides a stage for artists, musicians, dancers, writers, and other creative individuals to present their work to a larger audience. The exposure is invaluable for newcomers in the art scene, helping them gain recognition and build connections within the industry. And by offering space where emerging artists can showcase their talents alongside established names, the Kalaghoda Art Festival plays a crucial role in nurturing a dynamic and evolving artistic community in Mumbai. It contributes to the cultural richness of the city and provides a launchpad for new talents to shine. And friends, today I just wanted to show you this festival event site, nothing else. I come with my videos every Friday evening between 5:30 6 p.m. Okay, and now I'm signing off. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.